gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So today I got the Mally Beauty Best Dressed Lids Neutrals and Bolds eyeshadow palette in my Luxe from Boxycharm for December 2022. I'm really excited to use this palette today. This is how I got this look. And guys, are you ready to watch this tutorial? I share a few things with you about mature lids, so let's get into it. Get your tape in place and relax those lids. Okay. Get out some eyeshadow primer. Today we're going in with Viseart, since I have a bunch of products that I kind of need to use up. Yeah. Oh, gotta get Jackson from the back. Bus stop. Oh, I'll be back. Yes, I went to the bus stop looking like this. Okay, so the Mally Beauty palette, here she is here. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this Jaclyn times Morphe brush, and we're gonna go in with Charity Gala and put her right out here. Yeah, and kind of build her up so you don't have to worry about a mess because you have the tape there. So basically build her in that crease, a little bit above the crease, since you know our eyelids are hooded. And you can take it in, do circular motions to blend. And then we're gonna go darker. Grab a nice fluffy brush. This is Jaclyn's master brush from Morphe. And we're gonna go ahead and go into, let's do Power Lunch. Interesting name. Ooh, I like that. Look how pretty. Ooh, basically flick your eyeshadow. I like to do it towards the eye as opposed to away from it. Build it up. Ooh, wax just fell on me. And thank goodness it doesn't get that hot because it's in a warmer. Wow. Okay, take your time blending. Lighter matte color Date Night, just to soften this up. Ooh, almost time for shimmers. We do need to do the lower lash line, and I like to use a mini brown brush. Oh, you can use the new brush that just came in Boxycharm. This little guy right here, mini round. Okay, Power Lunch. Ooh, see how perfect this brush is? Do you see that? It's perfect brush. It is a perfect brush. Oh, thank you. This brush, oh my gosh, I love it. You cannot do everything with a fluffy blending brush. Doesn't work. Okay. All right. We have inner corner we can do. We also have shimmer. What are we gonna do? Which shimmer? Oh my gosh. Okay. Black tie event, cocktail hour. Let's go in with cocktail hour. This is what she looks like. We're gonna put her the inner corner and then outward. Ooh. Okay. Basically put her a little bit above the crease. This way your eye will look bigger. Ooh, then we can go back in and blend her out. You're gonna wanna use a blending brush that doesn't have anything on it. This is another one of Morphe times Jaclyn, and just kind of blend it in. You can always add more if you want. Ooh, I like that. And then black tie event. We're gonna take this one and put this one out here. Okay, dipping this brush into black tie event and just kind of creating a little bit of a lightness right here. Not necessarily an inner corner highlight, but kind of like an inner corner highlight. Okay. Ooh, love. All right, so we need to do some black liner, and you're gonna wanna be super careful doing black liner because you have hooded eyes. If you're watching this video, you have hooded eyes. And you gotta be super careful with a nice thin line. So we're gonna use Tint Makes One. This is a black liquid liner. Look at how little. Do you see that? Let me see. There we go. It's little. Right next to the lash line. Very thin. Yes, very, very thin. Moving on to a marker type. Going to go ahead and do a wing. Just kind of go from the outer corner of that eye over, and then thicken up only this part. Symmetrical. Then we can remove the tape and go ahead and put some concealer. This is why I don't do my under eye concealer. I wait because sometimes there's a lot of fallout. This is a new palette. I wasn't sure how that was going to be with that. I also want to do black liner on my waterline. We're going to go with the Huda Beauty. One of these. That one's liquid. Ooh, there we go. How's black? Or it kind of looks more like a charcoal gray actually. But we'll make it work. I usually remove the tape on camera. Sorry, I thought I was filming. I wasn't. All right, so now we can clean up with concealer. Going to use a thicker than normal brush, what I would use, an Eco Tools brush, but I still have to clean my brushes. We're gonna do one eye at a time. And yeah, maybe that's a bit much concealer, but we'll see. So I would usually use an Eco Tools brush, but their angled brush that's like thin for liner, and I would do the same thing I'm doing here. But this is the only brush I had clean and it will work. Gives that appearance of a nice clean line. All right, so sometimes I like to use a powder foundation to set my face, and I'm just going to put this everywhere, pressing it into the skin. But no, we're not done yet. Not done yet. Okay, grab a semi-big, kind of like this, a fluffy brush there, and stippling motions, push what you just put on your skin into your skin. Ah, yes. Okay. I don't want my eyes so bright that you see me down the street. I mean, of course, you know, I want you to see me down the street, but not to the point where my eyes are so bright. It's crazy, you know? So now we're going to do some mascara and some lashes, some lip color, and then I'll be right back. I think all the kids are home from school now. Perhaps I should have counted them. Okay, so there you have it. Here is my eyeshadow tutorial for mature lids using Mally's Best Dressed Lids. Neutrals and bolds, 14 matte and shimmer shadows. Really, there's only like 4 mattes in here, but this is what she looks like. I'll go ahead and do some swatches over on a shorts for you guys. And if you've got any questions for me, put them down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, would you? And would you hit that like button? I can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments. And if you're new, I can't wait to get to know you. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.